Hello guys, well, here we are with another video, and I got something special. We are going to talk about some minor differences with the new daron models produced in Vietnam, and that are no longer produced by Realtoy. Let's start things off with the branding. To start things off, the new 2024 daron models will now include the daron logo in the center within the wheels, right about there. And they will no longer choose of the Realtoy logo, which was on the wing of the aircraft. These were more likely models produced from 2020 and on that had this feature. As you can see, this empty square what I'm pointing at is where the Realtoy logo used to be. Here's an example. This is my 2021 787-8, and you can immediately notice there's a Realtoy logo in that square section. No daron logo here. Another thing is the paint textures, because something is with the new paint from today. This right here, my restored 787, has smooth edges, as you can see, no bumps. But you can immediately tell that the newer, updated version has some bumps and grooves. No, actually, it does. Feels a lot different holding this, as I grew up with models built in or before 2020. Feels a lot different holding this. Well, except for my Air Canada A330, which has no issues whatsoever. Another thing is the decals on the tails. I think most of them are painted, but I don't think so. You can immediately tell the difference. If not, I'll give you some time. Guessed it? Well, if you don't think I'm crazy enough, but yeah. That right there is darker. This right here is lighter. This is the newer, updated version of that 787. And another thing you can notice, well, I think I might have to zoom in from a closer angle, but it's this very small yet prestigious gap in this thing. And if we look at the 2021 version, no gap there at all. That's not all. I'll also be looking at a factory error sample. Yes, a factory error. And it's from my prestigious and most well-beloved 737-800 from Postage Stamp in the Delta livery. If you might think, look at it from here, nothing's wrong with it at all. Just the normal 737. But this is a warning for any people that collect postage stamp. Because if I flip it around, you will see this. Yeah. And the door is missing on this thing. Beware, all postage stamp collectors. This may happen to you. Although, I actually tried to put a small decal on it for my Eco Girl 73 that has appeared in some videos, but then failed. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. That's kind of it for a few things that daron has been going on recently with their new models from 2024 and that factory error. But yeah, it's kind of it. I'll see you probably around the line. See you in the next one.